Everybody says hello. More come. That's my babies. Oh, everybody comes. They're so happy because, well, you can already see behind them. However, at the moment, holy guacamole, we haven't seen this in so long. Here in Florida, tropical wetland, shouldn't have snow. Oh no, no, no. Tropical wildlife needs a tropical environment. Tell them! They're just like cats. They want me to keep singing, but you probably don't want me to do that. For those who don't know, these are monk parakeets, also known as Quaker parrots. They're very popular in pet stores to keep as pets. But as you can see, and as I've stated before, they are mating and pairing couples for life. So when you keep a single bird in a cage for its entire life, you are being cruel to it. And they are pack animals. See this? That's their whole family. They like to stay together. Right? Public service announcement for the day. For the babies. Have a great day wherever you are in the world. Let's take better care of our planet today. For them.